Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Moïse, Quebec, is a charming village nestled in the beautiful Matapedia Valley, a region known for its lush landscapes and serene atmosphere. It is located in the Bas-Saint Laurent region, about 400 kilometers northeast of Quebec City, making it a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The village was established in the late 19th century and is named after Moïse Caron, one of the first settlers in the area. Over the years, it has grown into a tight-knit community, with a population of around 500 people. Life here moves at a slower pace, allowing residents and visitors to fully enjoy the natural beauty that surrounds them. Saint-Moïse is also known for its agricultural roots. The fertile soil of the Matapedia Valley has supported farming for generations, and you'll notice vast fields and farms as you explore the area. The village's rural charm is one of its defining features, making it a perfect spot for those who appreciate the simple pleasures of life. For outdoor enthusiasts, Saint-Moïse offers plenty of opportunities to connect with nature. The nearby Matapedia River is a popular spot for fishing, especially for Atlantic salmon, while the surrounding forests are great for hiking, wildlife spotting, and even snowmobiling in the winter. Whether you're here to learn about its history, explore the natural surroundings, or just relax and take in the scenery, Saint-Moïse is a hidden gem in Quebec that's definitely worth visiting. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we hope you enjoy discovering this wonderful village as much as we do.